Hi, it's Tasha from WTI, and I want to share with you Amazon's basic tea kettle. I love this tea kettle. I use it every night. I love to have something warm or something hot to drink in the evenings. So the lid just pops open so that I can easily fill it. It has a marker to show how much water I can put into it. It's an easy button that I just press to turn it on, and the base removed so that I can pick it up and pour it into my glass or take it to other areas if I need to. It takes about 4.5 minutes, and then I have a whole pot of boiling water. The stainless steel is sleek and modern, and it really holds up. I've been using it for a while now, and I've had no issues with it. It's going to last me a long time. The design is awesome, and I just love using it, and I hope you do too. That's my point of view.